Alam natin ang daming bagay sa mundo na dapat nating bantayan. Pero ito ang mind shift. Hindi porke viral totoo na, hindi porke malinaw ang picture, legit na. Hindi porke may video, automatic proof na. Kasi ngayon hindi lang impormasyon ang kumakalat, pati manipulation. May mga pictures, videos at captions na design para i-hijack ang emotion mo. Yung tipong pag nakita mo, automatic, grabe, share, cancel. Pero wait, kasi yung reaction na walang verification, madaling gamitin. And once they control your emotion, they control your reaction. Once they control your reaction, they control your mind. Reality check. Maraming content ngayon mukhang resibo. Pero pag chinek mo, edited pala, old clip pala, or AI pala. So here's the rule. Don't believe everything you hear and don't trust everything you see. Believe 50% of what you hear, question what you see. Cross-check, research, verify. Kasi hindi sapat ang pagiging reactive. Kailangan maging responsible. Ganyan ang mindset na kailangan ngayon. Ganyan tayo dito. Kung gusto mo ng ganitong klaseng balik values, mind shift at reality check na content, follow ang Shift Network. Kasi pagiging critical is not pagiging negative. Being critical is being responsible. Bago ka mag-share, ask yourself, sino ang source? Kailan to posted? May original ba? May ibang credible sources ba na pareho ang sinasabi or vibes lang? Kung gusto mong protektahan ang sarili mo at yung mga taong mahal mo, start here. Huwag kang magpagamit. Balik values, mind shift, reality check.